Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify order confirmation emails not sending. So if your customer placed an order but they did not get the order email, do not worry. In most cases, this is something you can check step by step inside your Shopify admin. I will show you the simple things you need to look at, like checking the customer email, resending the email, checking your notification settings, testing the email, and making sure your store email is set up the right way. Step 1. Check if the customer added the right email. The first thing you want to do is check the order itself. Go to your Shopify admin, then go to Orders. Now, open the order where the customer did not receive the confirmation email. Look at the customer information on the right side of the order page. Check if the email address is there. Also check if the email is typed correctly. Sometimes the problem is not Shopify. Sometimes the customer typed the wrong email at checkout. Maybe one letter is missing. Maybe the email has the wrong ending, or maybe they used an old email they no longer check. So before changing anything else, make sure the email address is correct. If the email is wrong, update the customer email first. After that, you can resend the order email again. Step 2. Resend the order confirmation email. After checking the customer email, stay on the same order page. Scroll down until you see the order timeline. The timeline shows what happened with the order. You should see if Shopify already sent the order confirmation email. If the email was sent, you can click the Resend option. When Shopify asks you who you want to send it to, choose the customer, then send it again. After sending it, ask the customer to check their inbox again. Also, ask them to check the spam folder, promotions folder, or junk folder. Sometimes the email is sent, but the customer does not see it because their email app moved it to another folder. Step 3. Check your Shopify notification settings. If the email still does not send, go back to your Shopify admin. Click Settings, then click Notifications. This is where Shopify keeps the emails that are sent to customers. Look for Customer Notifications. After that, look for Order Confirmation. Open it and make sure the order confirmation email is still there. If you edited this email before, check if something was removed by mistake. If the email looks empty, broken, or strange, this can cause problems. You do not need to make the email fancy. The most important thing is that the customer gets the order details clearly. If you are not sure what was changed, you can use the default version again, but only do this if you're okay with removing your old changes. Step 4. Send a test email. Now that you're inside the order confirmation email page, send a test email. This helps you know if the email is working before you test it with a real customer order. Click the option to preview or send a test email, then check your own inbox. If you receive the test email, that means the email itself is working. If you do not receive it, check your spam folder. Also, check if you are logged in with the right Shopify account email. This test helps you know if the problem is with all emails or only with one customer. And that's how you fix Shopify order confirmation emails not sending. Start by checking the customer email, then resend the email from the order page, then check your notification settings, send a test email, check your sender email, and place a test order. Most of the time, one of these steps will fix the problem. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.